How much thought do you put into your window coverings? If you're renovating, it's often something that gets forgotten about, but they're one of the easiest ways to transform a space. I'm Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and today I'm showing you the window coverings we've chosen for our latest project. The good news is DIYBlinds makes it simple and affordable to create a beautiful custom look for your home. In the main living area, we've used a combination of a Roman blind and sheer curtains. The Laconia Air sheer curtain are timeless pure linen woven in Turkey. They have a gorgeous soft texture and drape beautifully. The colour we've chosen is linen, a timeless classic that feels natural. And the best part is you can install it yourself. The brackets are simple to fit and the curtains just clip straight in. In the bedroom, we kept things beautiful and functional. We've used a Sanctuary limestone blockout roller blind paired with the Laconia Air in linen. The blockout blind gives light control and privacy, perfect for sleep-ins or post-beach siestas. The linen sheers add softness and that luxe designer look without the designer price tag. Now, a little tip we often use when we're renovating is curtains as wardrobe doors. So you can see here in this bedroom, it's not a huge bedroom. There's not a lot of space next to the bed here, but having this curtain not only makes the room feel bigger because you are going further into the cupboard, it covers everything beautifully. It adds gorgeous texture. It looks beautiful and it is so cost effective. Whether you're renovating or just giving your home a refresh, DIYBlinds makes it simple and affordable to transform your space. Jump online to check out their amazing range today.